Have you ever struggled to create compelling offers that genuinely attract clients? Maybe you have felt stuck, unsure of exactly what to say, how to structure your offer, or how to clearly communicate value, leaving potential clients unconvinced or uninterested. Well, that's where the value comes in. Imagine having access to proven templates and real world examples of AI SaaS offers that effortlessly attract clients and drive consistent sales. Successful SaaS businesses like ClickFunnels and Birdeye are making significant profits with similar structured offers, charging a monthly fees of anywhere between $300 to over $1,000. The downside, they typically keep almost an entire portion of the revenue, reducing your profitability. Now, with Go High Level, you can leverage these proven offer structures, customize them easily, and retain 100% of your earnings. I'm providing you with a 30 days free trial of Go High Level, access to the live bootcamp, weekly live coaching calls, and a vibrant premium community. Simply visit the resources section of this course to access these exclusive benefits. Here is your actionable guide featuring templates and examples of winning SaaS offers. Template 1 is the structure is like clearly define the automation benefits, email sequences, SMS follow-ups, appointment reminders. For example, automate your marketing, boost your results. Monthly fee $297. Features email and SMS automation, basic analytics dashboard, and client support. Template 2 could be a lead generation and nurturing offer. The structure could be something like emphasize ease of client onboarding, improved conversion rates, and reduced sales cycle. For an example, your offer could be like effortlessly convert prospects into paying customers. Monthly fee is $497. Features include automated lead capture funnels, drip campaigns, detailed reporting, and priority support. The third template could be like comprehensive reputation management offer, where you focus on tangible benefits like enhanced online reputation, increased trust, and customer attraction. The offer example could be like build trust and win customers with 5-star reviews. Monthly fees $997. Features automated review generation, real time reputation monitoring, personalized reporting, dedicated accounts manager, and so on. The fourth template could be around AI chatbot and CRM package, where you highlight 24 by 7 client engagement, streamlined customer management, and increased sales. For an example, the offer could be skyrocket your customer engagement and sales with AI. Monthly fees $997. Advanced features would include advanced chatbot setup, increased integrated CRM with automation, personalized client dashboards, and premium support. The next steps, leveraging these templates and examples, you empower yourself to quickly craft irresistible, highly profitable AI SaaS offers. Imagine the clarity and confidence you will have knowing exactly how to structure your services to attract and retain high quality clients. So, are you ready to elevate your offer creation? Head over to the resources section of this course right now and claim your exclusive 30 days free trial of Go High Level. You will gain immediate access to our live bootcamp, weekly live coaching calls, and join our supportive premium community. Start creating winning offers today and accelerate your agency's success.